because no cre different from Nsemunu keka. More be a minister Agyapong can say because so we are MP. Now see former speaker of parliament afro. I can't just say Buaniba Michael Kui. Now better TV so beka. Open die no asay. We are penny now go meeting now the meeting assemble to abontia we are penny bi.
Say be all can one say or a principle. One standing for corruption.
We are principle that. You can't say mo meeting and we debate you. Me also a principle. We are principle that. You ban yes MP car loan now so income. We are principle la. O ban yes you ma MP car rent now so income. Na nya principles say okoje udi wi ana betra monte so you are fighting for Ghanaians. Benefits MP bi adi Agyapong GP in the principle be.
O ba say also on car loan. Also on car loan.
Because a loan on pay on kasi income because one was here and I 81 81.
I say omu need so oje.
Because on pay o scabby.
And yes o scabby was I say omu the need.
There be 80 una say hia no.
There be I say
but hia the body.
I say hia the body hia.
Na the body are the be na ken aso parliament aka say ntaka no mu. First example.
So your to make us in your
there be enya bontin na we put bontin to Boba Park so we see what parliament one sorry catching the eye of the speaker. One can't just see ntaka no wa ka bida.
And then mean
only say MPs rent more.
Minimum
State to MPs rent more. MP no free pussy ga back on time.
There be now you get 30,000 and 17,000. Why should they pay rent for you? Meanwhile, Ghanaian worker, it will be 1,000. On what me I that. So why should we? I will say I'm come to serve my nation.
So when himself agree the call on there on services.
Debbie, we hear direct question.
Miss MP.
Yeah, but yeah, we are who said your political will
be Miss
your way no chess that you are so right to be MP. Debbie, that you want to be MP.
Oh, me qualify me the MP when she out. Now me need interest in the parliament.
But so much me that means because you change your mind.
Me qualify. But what I'm telling you is Agyapong and send you are or cancel on pay. On the board and Canada appropriate forums.
Oh, that's all you one person or can say.
Well,
no, not really. MP before say or me to me, but only the only politician.
Yeah, no, I didn't be said MP before can Agyapong has on pay.
Oh, say
for example.
ABS.
This affected the personally. My example. Or better now can say the dollar be important no dollar na cost because I affected personally.
So there be no the general
maybe or make say the general contract na the jebe okay Agyapong. You see or can say there are two different things. Man me say munu with principles. Man me say munu Agyapong can say munu.
Oh, are you saying some no can and I said doesn't it affect Ghana because say obeka say dollar cost. It's affects every businessman.
Appropriate forum. Obetina TV station say dollar cost na change there. Go to cabinet meetings, you are a NEC member and go and tell them this is wrong.
Say on cabinet.
On the cabinet member. Or a NEC member of the NPP. Agyapong is a NEC member of the NPP.
What cabinet?
Senior, he's an MP. They sometimes meet the finance minister. You can't say MPC to finance minister no account. Please, I beg you, but to come rebels no account. It won't be can't tell me say what you Ghana for me.
So you see him say on your beer, Ghanaians should listen to an
there's a difference between listening and taking it.
So they we shouldn't take it serious.
What that has not over? Was your material company?
To me, I find it serious.
Nobody should take Agyapong serious.
But Ghanaians are taking him seriously.
Some Ghanaians are taking him serious. MPP supporters are taking to money in second. Naka pass MPP for trouble to our papa. Who control Mama Agyapong over Alanche Martini at anymore. What are you talking about?
Say MPP before we say Mahama pay.
Let me tell you something.
So then partner.
Let me tell you something. Obia Benjamin for Agro. Obia Penawo. The same way. Asante for big book asa. Enkola na wa ese moron na go for jogu. Una na person ni diago. Ba ka so ba ma obefu. So nim sa. Eno ni Asante ka say so obia Benjamin for Agro. Obia Penawo. I said, you may you can the politics cancer for one says the MP for them they are fighting him. Say we discipline because I also did not go this man committee because what starting the block in the party the least expected. Now people vote say Abano go to the berry.
Oh, by Kennedy you'll be at
Master me say now people vote say Abano go to the berry. Nobody nothing. At that community, I don't so no the affected. Who thought would there what the elections are charging? Did it occur to you say can be BT Agyapong?
I know their number.
You see? Who is there, Mama?
But surprises well.
But then, who found compare can be BT Alanda? And two be a team that could be answered and I'll be no Alana. It's about me, I'll grab the first and I'll be the second, and I'll be the first. What's a Satan? There be a debate and Alan Baumia. What's a mere serious? But MPP for who say, hey, I can't for the president. I must see what is my typical Wakoka showdown. Meanwhile, Agyapong, when dear Dimartin, I can so shy many of our woman maybe for the God's committee.
Now, okay, let's take it as one more call of paper for now. How would the NDC position themselves?
Obia Benjamin for our Obia Benjamin for our Obia
Canal. Says a very easy for
Ghana for will not vote for Agyapong as a president. And then so need it too.
Why is saying that? Because
let me tell you something today. Among two abansi abandi they don't talk. Me, I am a politician. Omo changing government they don't talk. Yen changing government. Yen I did the nation party. Yen necessary. There are people in Tesano Estate. There are people in Labadi Estate. There are people in your neighborhood. They don't talk. Political party or sorry no abefi. Only the ready number. No AP. Or transport club. No alumni club. No sorry go. A do election. No DQ. Say no akontraba no coffee. Only the Ottoman. Only change the and those people are very decent. So we talk about Agyapong.
Inti say your friend is saying. I feel the NDC.
Mr. Mismatch.
Why you saying that?
So let's be very realistic. Even the establishment will not support Agyapong. The NPP establishment will not support him. I'm telling you.
They won't support him. Yakwatuama.
Masa. It wouldn't be political party team and elections. Who be that?
Now what patch the NHS I hope I said November 4th they will skew it in favor of
November 4th. Who says you win here?
Yeah,
and I'm telling you the establishment.
And I'm person who say NDC, how are you going to position yourself?
They say
in case
can Agyapong let me tell you something today. Some you some MPP near Misro MPP for Kameka say Kamisro Ala. Kameka say Misro Agyapong. Meka say Misro Adeni. Don't take the tribal and religious factor away
from them because they are shanties. Because they are shanties.
Accounts. They are shanties. Accounts. Put their accounts in the doors, our system, and you can't underrate them.
But Kennedy is
I'm coming. You can't underrate them. Now you go to the Ashanti Coalition, 47 constituencies. Say, Omoyo say they are envelope for a candidate. The candidate wins elections. NDC we need elections. MPP we need 2 millions or winning elections. So you cannot downplay those things. But let me tell you, Agyapong doesn't have a constituency. Apart from the DMP, Ken doesn't have a bridging in Ghana.
But any Sobeka said Baumia is from the north, but he won decisively from the Ashanti region.
Baumia has not won an election. Baumia has.
But we need just recent one.
How many got to Zaba?
Super delegates, chairman. I didn't know part of them. No, I didn't know part of the government.
Bugri na buko to abanu ko 20 Agyapong. Bugri na butini ya GP. What are you talking about? Bugri na go ya.
So I saying say
your favorites, they not but we your favorites. Obia regional chairman I am pick up. On top of Kenya.
But see
I open minister. On top of Baumia. I come Nana 1.5 years to leave power. And he can change, make you. Or you don't know. Let's just look at the general assembly.
Are you not seeing say November 4th? It's the same thing that will happen.
It is possible. You know why? The establishment is for Baumia. Kufuor was for Allah, a known secret. But Kufuor did not foresee this coming. Do you understand me? Kufuor was very fair. Nanado is not transparent. Nanado is not fair. Nanado is Kululu. It is always skew Baumia. Baumia will not win any fair elections.
Over 200,000. How can they skew?
Senior,
I'm going to pay everybody.
Senior, are you a politician?
I'm not. I'm a journalist.
Yeah, but let me tell you something.
Yeah.
People have influence over people. People have influence over people. From full respect to us, but people have influence over people. Don't underestimate incumbency.
Okay.
don't underestimate improvements. Your man was the president, but some people still see him as a president in the NDC, and it's another form of struggle.
Yeah,
you can't joke with certain powers. Obia okuta akomamu da na wacha akonya so no. Ne nasem kan o star bi ana onu.
Inimpa.
Yes.
Enti Baumia there no offer say because of Kululu into no winning and as say you don't see say the steps calling for you.
The delegates who went to vote are people who cannot vote against Baumia.
That's what into November 4th say on winning. Will the NDC take him seriously?
Baumia. Ghanaians will not vote for Baumia, or MPP will vote for Baumia. But Ghanaians will not vote for Baumia.
That is your thought.
That is what is happening. I got a new opportunity about you will be or shall I do Ghana. I'm telling you the truth. Now, dear Babu for Ayi, and about Yana.
That's what my catcher say he is not in charge. He's
so maybe the train about me, some message in your person by catcher over Bruce, I want you to say, so no, in charge. The person Becca, Baumia, who follow down for Baumia, and now do tell baby, one Becca, one district, one factory, one village, one dam, yet Tisica to come here in Baumia, my yet more Bank of Ghana, need Baumia, and not to down for Baumia. Now Baumia disappointed for economy and finance. Baumia.
And before say NDC is now attacking Baumia because they know say likely no he'll be there.
We have always attacked Baumia.
No, but you're more attacking people don't see it as fair. Because yes. Because if before say those times now, Jam was saying say I'm now in charge. Telling I the young trainer about me so man say I'm in charge.
What for girlfriend?
Me why you?
The what for girlfriend? Me cause I marry.
I mean why the number of girlfriend?
Now girlfriend to your ex home.
Aye.
It would na man na say you TV so o continue the man. What the best your ex girlfriend?
Oh,
but yes and no answer.
Say it depending on you see here. There be me back.
On the what you must
say. Na me no na sex no ma na too much. Just affect me.
Okay, it won't be one so or no. Won't be well.
Possible maybe I no mama kwa abortion.
Oh, you don't be well or no.
There be me don't be well there.
I know.
There be.
Your mama told us here. Again, your mama or to one again away. Your mama or what is saying no again away. MPP up to now, and for the Mama is 7 years. 7 years. Ghana for the minor now 7 years. What makes it also 7 years? A come down to the now doesn't blame or ex girlfriend.
Say or say maybe to say the power badges now, or yet agreements no, or say if you on my Ghana is paying about 600 million a year with no power. So
already said Kauka.
Oh, may say or say
then he said Kauka. So uncle, the reality is that Nanado had all the powers to change every contract at your mama side. Your contract be a warriors agreement there is a clause anti-free.
When so free more say it's about
when is another bear extended Mary? When is that?
I mean,
Mary ended or extended. At the end of the and yet granted. So free mother worker granted. Young Jenny, why do you extend Daniel?
I say be one man. We are not using.
No, we need to. Nobody force you to extend it. Extension can't agreement. You know. The American agreement was for power purchase to certain time. Yeah, why don't you go and look for another better person? I'll be more better dealers. Can remember for.
Some say when you operate and take. There's a take time.
And soon about American okay. You can still get somebody to continue the BOT. That is the agreement. Why do you extend it if there is nothing? First agreement, Akachi will say, or a lawyer. There is nothing wrong with Saglami. Then trust me and Tomana for. And one Akachi called the other and the court and friend case and so never told Saglami.
No, so are you saying, say, Niamo Kappa badge there's not because even IMF in their reports, like I said, the power purchasing agreement, no, and yet the best for Ghana. Last time it was panic, something they were signing.
Thank you. And so after that, why are we no? Let's assume without admitting that Betty who's institution, some people who are not canceling. Let's assume without admitting that they are telling us the truth. Who forced Nanado and his attorney general Buffett who are damning to go and extend it? That is the question.
Some say binding.
It is not binding.
No, say binding.
And I'm telling you, it is not true. Go and read. Contract agreement here, read. American agreement, sign no man uncle. Why do you extend it?
You pay machines.
Machines, you build, operate, and transfer every. Now, Magana for a operating. Seveya was it the American for Nantuaso. A dear all.
Say your technical wise.
What ya Montana, no be readua, was it tickets here when it is so far. What ya Montana tickets here, we are just need to so far. Akufo-Addo ben akonya no hu say amammuo no enye akra twetwe bi.
O say John Mahama Pacho so baba 2024.
Obeba.
Ibisa.
So be contest elections.
No.
Nyame pe na nim so.
You say no Obeba.
So be win.
Yeah, well him.
Oh, was I keep telling you so be okoto ma MPP ni bia aye obi a cause genocide. And then so be person to ma MPP a wa ye Rwanda for money ni bi. O see try sir. Why is your cause papa no say making noise.
But when you fair comment.
Unim.
When you fair comment.
Unim. Hwe. Ohun kire o nti enye fair ma.
That be but you know to make us say obi
obeto ma MPP a cause genocide. Hwe. E kom unim say kom ya say genocide.
I know.
It is a common DNA cause so come so and the genocide now cause.
Inti Bacho James ana money.
Yeah, and say appointing the commission.
Yeah, but Matis said there be Mr. James more running meeting.
You never running meet.
Former running meeting.
None of Bobacha.
So no I'm not
and we have John Mama be decided.
But we share grounds now every election has no that we may miss our way. Every election has things that you need to do. O share more James will she help your mama. Nana will she help your mama.
Me person we can say we be personal opinion.
Okay.
I think say Central Region have enough.
You've had enough.
Yes. 1992 we call Central Region Kofaka. 96 Kofa Professor Mills, they didn't vote for us. 2000 Professor Mills, they didn't vote for us. 2004 Professor Mills, they voted against us. 2008 Professor Mills, they voted for the NDC. 2012 we brought Emisata, we lost Central Region. 2016 we lost Central Region. 2020 we brought Nana, we lost Central Region. Apart from losing Central Region, I didn't think from 92 I got Central Region, sir. I don't think we are being fair to the other regions.
Someone say it's a swing vote, you know.
Swing the same maybe. I don't think we are being fair to Ashanti region. Ashanti region, NDC 800,000 votes. NDC winning elections. Last time we had a little over 653,000 votes. Ashanti region will be devised running mate again. Why are we still thinking about Central? It is not about now. Quite man no.
You're talking about the political landscape.
Yes, and I'm talking about the region. Say Centrals, they have had enough, and I don't think John should go back to Central.
So you think he should
look elsewhere
from different tribal,
different region?
Is the NDC capable of transforming Ghana?
We have transformed Ghana.
No, is it now? I'm asking today.
Say they are selling to no do it.
How?
Kofo services.
Let me back. Okay, sir.
Kofo services. Let me tell you something. Kofo services. Kofo say Ghana sisi. Kofo say Ghana sisi. Kofo buy no. First 4 years of Kofo was fantastic. And then after buy MVP lose suicide election. I don't want to I'm big 8 Kofo time. Was it good? And I got contested. Yes. And so don't sit and think say John Mahama is coming to transform Ghana because he Yayibida. The NDC is coming to transform Ghana because Yayibida. The NPP has no candidate as it stands now.
But November for the other candidates.
And I'm telling you, someone who contest elections here, I wouldn't have been there. Look at that. Why a bash? People was why a bash.
Oh, do for me that's Nyami shout. For now you can't. John Mahama versus Kennedy said a bar. Who are you going to vote for? Yet for now someone or say this is going to transform Ghana. What is also your mind? She have been very much na me bar. You better to us. But the one who see. Oh, subscribe and share to somebody. Now your bar. What's me on your car? Man, bye bye.